we're going to do today is get started on writing our routines. So get out some sticky notes or a sheet of paper and let's write down everything that we have done so far. So far, we have been shining our sinks every single night and dressing to shoes every single morning. So in the FlyLady website, it says to get a sticky note and put it by your mirror to say dress to shoes, another one by your sink that says shine your sink. However, the last few times that I did this, my sticky notes always got wet and or thrown on the floor. So if you have a stronger sticky note than I do, go ahead and feel free to do that. Put it next to your sink and by your mirror. But if you don't, you can also use a paper as well. Please do not buy anything. Use whatever you have. This is just as a visual reminder to remind ourselves every day to shine our sinks and dress to shoes. Alternatively, feel free to set some alarms on your phone as well. Pretty soon we won't need the sticky notes and it will become a daily habit. So remember, every day we are dressing to shoes and every night we are shining our sinks. We have reviewed the FlyLady website and tomorrow is already day 5 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. That means it'll be Friday and as you know, no weekends. So stay tuned. Tomorrow will be a super cool freebie. You will be able to find that in the description down below. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.